How to use Instagram without an account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can use Instagram without an account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to start using Instagram but then you don't have an account over here, in my case I've already logged in, you can't do it from the app, but there is a way that we can only access a few things from our browser by just going to instagram.com. Also nothing is going to solve, it will take you to the login page obviously, but what we actually have to do is, if you want to have quick access to Instagram without logging in and you want to view someone's profile, because that is the least thing that we can do, right? You just need to type in instagram.com/ then type in the username of the person you're trying to view the profile of. So once you enter the username of the person that you're trying to view the profile of, type in that after instagram.com, it needs to be the exact username. You'll be able to quickly see that person's profile and everything else over here without having to log into Instagram. So you don't have to log in to just view their profile like this. However, if you want to check that, and you can also view it in full screen like this, only if you want to like and comment, then you will need to actually log in. But other than that, the least that you can do is actually view someone's profile. You can't go ahead and come to your home page or something like that. As you can see, it'll ask us to log in then. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.